TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week. But before we kick off the weekend, I am back with more part-time work from home job leads. As always, the links to all of the job leads that I discuss will be in the description box below. And if these are not a good fit for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And please, please, please help me out. If you find my job leads helpful, please like these videos and share with your friends and family. But with that being said, today we are going to talk more about the company ModSquad. Now, I've featured this company a couple of times before on this channel. This is definitely a company to bookmark and check back weekly. They are always hiring a part-time gig-like temporary positions. So these are great for little side hustles, making extra money on type of full-time jobs. They literally are always hiring for different positions. Now, some of their positions are phone-based, some of them are non-phone-based, so I would definitely bookmark this company and always be checking back with them. But what they do is they contract with large brands and large companies, kind of like a temporary agency, like a temporary staffing agency would do. And then they hire people to fill these part-time temporary jobs until the actual gig is up. So these are positions that will have short-time workload, won't have enough workload to hire someone full-time. So they are 1099 independent contractor positions. But first up, they are hiring for a camera solutions brand, someone to do technical support. Now, this is non-phone, this is all tickets, and they are hiring someone to work either in the United States or the UK, the United Kingdom. So this one is both for the US and the UK. So in this project that they're hiring for, mods will work within Salesforce to address customer inquiries to drive satisfactory resolutions. It says minimum phone and or chat technical may be required from time to time. So it is tickets, written word, but if they're not understanding what you're saying, sometimes it's easier to pick up the phone and try to explain it, but that is not the norm. They are looking for someone who can work Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. or 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And then Saturday, Sunday hours are listed as 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So it seems like they have different shifts. Of course, hourly rate for all of these positions through them are to be discussed in the interview because that's dependent on location and experience. But they're asking you to commit to at least 10 hours per week, and this is at least a 90-day, 3-month side hustle gig. They do want you to be fluent in English, reading, and writing, have knowledge and understanding of like IP cameras and other operations, have attention to detail and active listening skills. Now, you do have to have your own computer equipment for these positions. They list all the requirements in the job description. However, it says that they offer flexible self-scheduling, and it says they have paid orientation. So you get paid training with all 3 of the positions. Moving right along, the other 2 positions they have open are for my United States folks only, and they are both phone-based. But if you're okay with that, this one offers more hours than the last one. This one is customer support on the phones for loan service company. So on this project, they're looking for customer support agents to assist customers via inbound or outbound phone calls, and possibly also using ticketing and chat. Coverage will primarily be on the phone calls to assist customers updating their accounts, making payments on their loans, setting up auto pay, and answering general questions. They're looking for specific hours of Monday through Sunday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is when their project runs, and they're specifically seeking someone who can work work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So again, multiple shifts. Now this one does require 30 hours per week, and again is a 3-month contract. Again, you have to have your own computer, but it is paid training. And last but not least, they are hiring customer support to work phones and email for a big fashion brand. So for this project, they're looking for experienced phone and email moderators who can help customers with product information and ordering issues for the clothing fashion brand. They are looking for someone who can work during their project hours of 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. This one only requires a commitment of at least 15 hours per week. Again, it is a 3-month contract, and again, it requires you to have your own computer, but they do offer paid training. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.